Chicken and spices. Add chicken. Add red chili. Add black pepper. Add green chili. Add salt. Mix all things. Now put the lid and take 30 minutes. Now open the lid and mix all things. Now 3. Break the egg and add it to the batter. Add yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Add tomatoes. Add green chili. Add chopped onions. Start mixing. Add ginger powder, adrak powder. Add garam masala. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add red chili. Start mixing.
Add besan.
Start mixing. Add ½ cup water. Now dip the chicken in the masala that we made earlier to kill the chicken. Add oil. Now put chicken in oil and fry. Marinate chicken 3 hours.